Morning, everyone. This is the way I press my orange. Very good orange. Oh, this is the pressing machine, and I do this every morning to have organic orange. You know, when you eat well, and breakfast is very important. We have to start with that. So I'm pressing my orange, and this is here. You can see the orange juice dripping inside the cup. So I'll continue. So you can see the oranges this morning, and I've just cut this one. Now I will press it now. Press it. You can see the way I'm pressing the orange, and you can see the juice dripping down into the cup. It's fresh orange, very fresh. So that's very fresh. You see it dripping down. I have to take this one again and start pressing it in. So this is the best way to start your morning. It gives you vitamin C and makes you feel strong and happy. So that's it. You can see the orange. You can see it here. And then that's the quantity I need this morning. Thank you. Have a nice breakfast, everyone. Anywhere you are in the world or you are sleeping, this is Cyprian Johnson Kitchen, and make sure you smash that subscribe button, like, comment, and share, please. Bye for now.